Soda, Remy boys that know fast money don't slow, no one can control.
Move over then. Move over then. Move over then. Okay now. Coil pack issue, you know. I know that when your car's been mapped, they do chew through coil packs. So ideally soon I want to do the coil pack in the spark plug changeover. Got the heat range up, I believe. Now to pick up was quick update. What I forgot to say, mention is with it being so cold lately, my car decided that the resistor was going to go, so it worked on 4 and then it stopped working on 4 because I've been running it on 4 for a while now. My motor said no, I've had enough mate, I'm out. So the motor went, so I'm driving round in shorts and t-shirt in 2.5–3 degrees heat, and sometimes at night in -1 lately with no heating on, looking like I'm absolutely in the Antarctic driving a car. So still drove it about though. So yeah, I'm on my way up now. The garage that I was with, obviously they can't help it. They had quoted me like 250 quid for both the motor and the resistor, and get it fitted obviously. So I decided that was a bit much really for me at the minute. The missus car's just been in to get a handle done. I've got to pay that this week, so that's 100 quid. Plus 250, 350 plus everything else, just worked out a bit much this month for me. So I've gone and got it cheaper off eBay, a 2-year warranty on a new heater motor. I got it for 45 quid, brand new. And the resistor, which I think I was getting quoted 30 quid or something, 40 quid maybe at best, from the garage, I picked up for a tenner, £9 something. So that's arrived today, the resistor, a couple of days early, wicked. And the motor should be here on Monday, so hopefully by midweek I'll have it all back in. I might even try and do a video on reinstalling it if I feel up to it and brave enough. If not, it'll be going in the garage and getting Magic Dave to do it. So yeah, just on the way to get it now. Thought I'd do a little bit of driving. Nice crisp Saturday morning. So hope you enjoy just a bit of POV with no speedos on it. We had a very interesting call the other day, something that I'm going to elaborate on next week. So yeah, haters will hate, fair play. Just got to ignore them, haven't we boys, carry on. Right, anyway. That didn't work out very fucking well, did it? Must be the next one, that's the jib. Bastard. We'll do a bit more POV in a minute. Just literally 2 corners away from getting my stuff, so catch up in a minute, boys. 2 seconds. Yo, right, I'm back, man. Don't know how long this battery's going to last. I've not charged me fully charged the phone. What I'm using is a windscreen warrior. I got a guy trying to fucking overtake me. I want a bit of clear space. We start having a motorway in a minute, so we'll give it a little bit of a blast up to 70. See what it's like. See what she's saying. I've been taking it very easy with her. Literally 30 plus mpg all the way. I think she's due a bit of a blast. This guy thinks he's going, but only got one place. That's fucking behind me for sure. Oh, look at all these turning right here. I hope I get a clear run. Doesn't look like I'm going to get a clear run, guys. Yeah, I think I'll just go into full cool down mode here now, lads. So yeah, hope you like that. Don't forget, as always boys, like, comment and subscribe. Massive respect. Peace out.